end of this month and 200,000 users by the end of this quarter. To achieve our goal of building interest, engaging products that any average user can use, we are also combining AI data with on-chain assets. For example, users could mint or purchase our aggregator NFT, feed, train with and upgrade their NFTs with valuable industry-specific data. This data would also determine their earning capabilities in our ecosystem. This is just an example of many of the fun mechanisms that were designed to incorporate speculation and gamification elements that can attract both degen and normie users. Wrapping up, we are a team of talented, experienced, and passionate souls missionized to reshape how people perceive, utilize, and share AI data. And we have demonstrated the huge potential for an impact through our GPT to Earn trial. If you're interested to know more, you can follow us on Twitter and feel free to contact us on any means shown on the demo, shown on the slide. And thank you for listening.
Thank you, Hayes. Moving on, we'll have Patrick from NESA.
So hi, everyone. My name is Patrick Colangelo. I'm CEO and co-founder of NESA. NESA is the infrastructure layer 1 for AI. Before we dive in, I'd like to do some quick introductions of the co-founding team. So today on the call, we have Dr. Harry Yang, co-founder of NESA, ex-Facebook AI. He is the creator of Make a Video, which was Facebook's version of OpenAI Sora. We also have Dr. Yue Zhao on the call, co-founder of NESA. He is the creator of Pyod, the world's most famous anomaly detection AI, used in Teslas, used by NASA, award-winning AI researcher and professor of AI at USC. We have Dr. Marco DiMaggio on the call today, co-founder of NESA. He is professor of Harvard Business School. He's the director of the Harvard Crypto and Web3 Lab at Harvard, MIT PhD. We also have Dr. Xiaofan Liu on the call today. He is co-founder of NESA. He is an AIGC researcher, professor at City University of Hong Kong, and PhD in network science. And finally, we have Dr. Claudio Angioni on the call today. He is a PhD from the University of Cambridge. He's a professor in AI at Teesside University, and he is also an Alan Turing Development Award winner. So with that, we'll get started. The premise for NESA is quite simple. We are a decentralized query marketplace. So we are the global repository for AI. You can come to us to find any open source model, large or small, of different verticals and niches with rich version control, reviews. And beyond that, we've built an end-to-end network for private, secure, critical inference. But it really goes quite a bit beyond that in terms of our vision. What we're about at NESA is barrier-breaking technological innovation. And specifically, we focus on two main areas of the industry. We care about privacy and security, and we care about accessibility. The reason why we care about these two things is they're the core tenets of blockchain that need to be prevalent in AI, in our opinion. So here are our breakthroughs. The first is we are pioneering the most accessible AI in the world. We have created recently blockchain-based sequential deep neural network sharding called BSNS. We're releasing a research paper soon. And this is model-agnostic hybrid sharding for heterogeneous distributed inference. This is an incredible revolution for the industry because now it's going to let anyone with a laptop or home computer participate in powering the most demanding models in the world. This means Mistrals, Llamas, all of the models that everyone wants to use can now be supported by a network of laptops, of home computers, thanks to our mechanism. The second thing that we've created is a hybrid security protocol. It's a co-optimization scheme between hardware and software. What we do is we take an inference request and we analyze it. We look at its characteristics, we look at how big the model is, and then we route it to a particular area of our mining network on that basis. It'll either be routed to a purely hardware-specific solution, so TE, where we decrypt and re-encrypt the data in secure memory, and then have an Oracle network broadcast it back on chain, or it will be routed to a purely cryptographic solution where we use ZKML that we make in-house. The NESA leadership team is shown on this slide. In total, we have over 20 engineers on the team. We have 10 PhDs. We have a total of over 200 publications in research for deep learning and AI. So we're building not just a platform, but also a token, a tokenized platform. And I'm happy to introduce AI's native asset today, NES, which we'll be deploying and announcing soon. NES is used for all pay-per-query transactions on the platform. So any query space that you would like to conduct inference for, you can use NES to pay for it. And now I have a live demo. So this is the global repository for AI, which we're launching in 2 weeks. Here you can find any model of different verticals, and you're able to see descriptions, you're able to see reviews for each. You're able to upload models on the platform. You're able to see your wallet balance. You're able to see your kernels around the world that are validating the network. You're able to see all of your rewards that you've received from validation. And we're going to quickly show the world map of nodes around the world, and then finally an inference request in the next 20 seconds. Each user has a profile, each model developer. And finally, here's a live inference request. This just shows how fast inference is on NESA. This is fully end-to-end private via TEE. We selected a llama model. We're entering a financial transaction. This is a critical inference request. You see the nodes light up around the world. We have redundancy across each node. This is a distributed inference call, which means these are low-powered machines that are powering this heavy model. And then in seconds, you have a response that, yes, the loan is being granted. Thanks so much, everyone. I want to thank Binance for the opportunity, and we look forward, on behalf of all of NESA, to supporting everyone's needs for AI.
Thanks, Patrick. Moving on, we'll have Anthony from Nimble.
Nimble is building a modular AI orchestration layer for Web3 to create a truly decentralized on-chain AI ecosystem. If we look at today's AI ecosystem in Web3, we have models, data, almost everything. But everything is disconnected. AI, we need data, GPUs, models on one single platform to for its complexity. So we are building an orchestration layer. The core of the orchestration layer is an AI order book. If we think about order book, there are two aspects. First is matching, second is price discovery. For the matching, if we think about developers, they can issue or trigger AI training jobs and inference jobs, etc. And also there can be AI data and compute requests. So Nimble decentralized AI network, unique order book design will help with the job matching and also price discovery, etc. Just because of our order book design, we do not need to create new subnets for each model, so we can scale the network to any number of models very easily. Our strategy is to actively collaborate with our partners for example, compute, data, and the developers, etc. In this way, we stay on top of that and to